On this week's episode of Footings to Finish, we're taking a look at the plumbing rough-in and the HVAC rough-in, which is just before we get to electric, on this gorgeous $2 million home here at Oakland Ridge Estates in Pelham, New Hampshire. We've added a front porch to this home, which is absolutely beautiful. We have a beautiful double-wide entry door. Check out this portico. It is absolutely stunning, and that big open picture window. The house now has 3 garages, so they added an extra garage right here. The size of this garage is huge. Look at how high these beams are. Oh my goodness. It's hard to give you scale of how big this garage really is, but if we take a look at this door here, and then we'll take it all the way up to the ceiling, that's almost 2 doors. Entryway in from the garage, and then we're still framing here, but we are roughing in the plumbing. Here you can see we are roughing in all of the plumbing. HVAC equipment is going in as well. As you can see, they've put all of this here. We've got a beautiful fireplace. This is going to be 3 more windows here. This looks like a big living room. If you remember a couple weeks ago, they decided to add a sunroom. Here, check it out. This is the main living room, and then this walks into the extra sunroom. Got 1 door here, vaulted ceilings, and lots of windows. This upstairs is huge. There is so much space. They've done so many upgrades to this home that it's now clocking in at over $2 million. It looks like I'm standing in front of a picture, but truly, this is the beauty of New Hampshire, even in the middle of the winter. I just love the clouds here. It's one of the first things I noticed when I moved back to New Hampshire from California. We have basement stairs, that's new. Here's that door from the other side. What a pretty entryway. They've added a huge deck right here. Hey, are you loving this content? Then don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell, share it with a friend, and tune in next week at 5 p.m. for another episode of Footings to Finish. I'm Steph Saunders with Key Team at Compass, and I'll see you next week.